got my two crazy ass LED lights on, but they work amazing. I won't say crazy ass, they just come out crazy ass on the video screen because of the frequency. But anyways, yes, my throat sounds croaky, and yes, I think I'm battling something. Some kind of little cold bug that's trying to invade my system. I lost the weekend. The weekend's over. It went by like that, and I videoed nothing, and I did freaking nothing. I slept it off. So anyways, yes, I do have the heat on. It is warm in here. It might be around -1 or something outside, but I'm warm in here. And the van is a mess. It's just a freaking pigsty. I hate it. I just don't have the energy to clean it. I won't have time till tomorrow after work, so anyhows. Alright, my friends, good day. I don't know where I left you off in the last video clip. So, we're coming back, and we're cooking with Chuck today. Oh my god, the things that I think of to do on YouTube. Anyhows, I want to prove that you can cook just about anything in a van, and today we're going to make some tacos. Actually, I'm going to make the basic ingredients, and I'm taking it to work tonight. So, what I did was, I sliced up an onion. I got this little slicer I bought from a Japanese store. So I used the one side to the big slicer here to slice up my onions, and I used this little grater to grate some orange peels. So I've been eating a lot of oranges lately while I battle this little bug. I'm not going to show you my messy van, but I will show you what the ingredients look like. Maybe that's better. Yeah, so we got a little bit of onion in oil, a little bit of sesame oil, and a little bit of orange. And I used this beer here because I had leftover beer, and it is a festive pudding ale. I didn't drink all of it at Christmas. I had a couple sips. I had that half of the bottle a couple days ago. Or sorry, yesterday. No. Man, just waking up, don't mind me. So, that's okay, what we got for hold on. To wipe you guys' face off there for a second. Is that better? Probably not. Anyhows, I changed my mind because I think that little onion that I just cooked up, I'm going to add that to chicken, mushroom soup, or what's left of my mushroom soup. I don't have a lot. And I'm going to make like a spaghetti noodle type of thing. So that's the plan. And the tacos, I'm going to do one whole onion instead of what I got. I'm going to do the onion the same. And I'm going to use ground turkey for my tacos. And I think for my tacos, I'm going to fry up a whole onion the same way in beer and orange and sesame oil. And I'm going to use, I got some leftover pork that I forgot I had, some little thin sliced pork. I fried up that. Yeah, so I fried up that chicken, and we're going to use a little bit of mushroom soup, as I said, and with my onion. So that is the deal. And no, see, I told you, don't mind the sirens. That's not me. They're not after me yet. Anyways, this is what we got. This is the pork we're going to do for tacos. So I got, again, sesame oil, and we're going to add a bit of beer because I can. Should be enough, maybe, give or take. No, it's good enough. So I'm going to add a little bit of beer, not a lot. What else did I have to say? Oh, I know. I'm going to add a bit of this. I was trying to think what goes good with orange rind. I was going to either do this little bit of barbecue. Has like a bit of paprika and crushed peppers in it, so a bit spicy. Or the lemon pepper version of this one. I have some lemon pepper. I think, you know what? Maybe the lemon pepper would be good on this. Try it with the citrus, maybe just adds a little flavor. So I'm not going to put a lot of this, just a bit of sprinkle. So that's what we got for Chucky's taco cooking number. Maybe something like that. I don't know. Man, it's difficult doing two things at once. Videoing and sprinkling. Anyhow, I have no clue how this is gonna turn out, but you know what? What the hey? You got nothing to lose by experimenting a little bit, and I think this is gonna be mighty fine. And bam, just like that, boys and girls. See, we grated up a little bit of orange, put it in there with the festive beer and the lemon pepper a little bit with sesame oil, and ta-da. We'll boil this up a bit. So we'll saute this up a little bit, and that will be a part of our taco fillings. Okay, here's my second batch of onions using the festive pudding beer, which doesn't taste festive, it just tastes like kind of a mild flavored beer. And that's what we got. We're cooking up the onions and blah 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 blah. So saute them for, who knows, 10-15 minutes, get the flavors mixed up, and away we go. So this second batch will be for my tacos. Yeah, this is where we end it. My onions are done, my pork is done, so I'm ready to take that to work tonight. I've got to end this for the moment. I've got the pork done, the onion done, the chicken, everything's cooked up except my spaghetti noodles. I've got to go take care of business. I got to go do a fufu, and I'm pretty sure I'm crowning right about now, and it's a 5-minute walk back to the community center. I'm going to have a shower and clean up while we do that, and yeah. Okay, how's that? Oh, I feel $1 million better. Cleaned up, ready for work. Coming back into the van after taking a shower. Wow, the smells are so delicious. Unbelievable. Okay, back to cooking, boys and girls. So I put my onions in with the mushroom soup, and we're going to stir it up. And I'll throw chicken. I cooked noodles, so just going to throw the chicken and noodles in there, and that will be my lunch for dinner at work tonight. Cheers! Okay, how did this turn out there, folks? Does that look pretty delicious and tasty? I don't know if it is or not, but when I get to work tonight, we will find out. So, cheers! Why can't I say that word? So, Chef Chuck says it's entirely easily possible to cook whatever you want in a van and come out awesome. Actually, you know what? I can't wait. I gotta try this sauce. Wow. Oh my god. I can taste the mushroom. I can taste a little bit of onion. Oh, and a little bit of mushroom with beer. The cream of mushroom soup with beer is amazing. I gotta make that one again. I have no idea how I made it, but wow. Thumbs up to me. Okay, so my friends, I'm not gonna have time to show you the finished tacos that I made because it's gonna be work time soon, so I've gotta run. However, I will assemble them tonight at work. I'll video that, and I'll add it in the next video at the beginning start of my video. So until that next time, you know the saying, as usual, stay awesome, have an awesome day, have an awesome week, and we'll see you guys next time. And until that next time, cheers. Okay, my friends, I was talking about the temperature going up, and if you look at the sign, no, it's coming in hazy. What the hell? Freaking cameras. Is it like, that doesn't help. Anyways, it says +6, believe it or not. So yeah, see, everything's melted like I said. So there you go. I didn't lie to you, +6. And the rest of the days will be +7. And rain, of course.